On the chamber, right now we are
Yeah.
doing PPF.
Daily rate 4 months kind of training session.
Warranty of 3 years.
Na holibi nakade.
Yeah.
So before delivery, we'll have the engine dressed. Please avail the Diwali. First of all, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for always being so supportive.
Okay. Thank you.
I would also like to add that people should call him for their promotions. He does a really good job in understanding your business hindsight and gives you the best suggestions he can in terms of the marketing and the promotions that you can do for your outlet. So again, I would really request all of you.
Thank you. Hi guys, I am all of you doing great. Once again, I am at Detailing Bull, Lahorijan, Karbi Anglong, Assam. So there is some offers going on for this festive season. So to know all those things, I would like to invite our brother Ajit. Will you please come, brother, to share?
Okay, hello.
Hello. Once again, can you say hello to my viewers?
Hello everyone.
So,
So for Diwali, we have flat 6,000 off on ceramic coating.
yeah,
Flat,
6,000.
flat 6,000 off on ceramic coating. Flat 7,000 off on graphene coating. And for PPF, we have flat 5,000 off. I know it sounds small, but wait. We have monetary discount of 5,000 rupees. And then in addition to that, we'll provide glass coating, alloy coating, and leather coating, which builds up to around 26,000 rupees. तो वो हमारे साइड से
So that will be free of cost.
Performance series having cars of that segment will get a flat 20% discount on performance
20%
series.
discount.
20% discount on performance series. And performance series is an upgraded PPF, TPU,
Okay.
then Prime series.
Okay, brother Ajit, I've seen here some cars and even inside some work is going on. So can you tell us something about
Okay,
what work is going on?
Varna, that's a private car.
Oh,
We will be obviously doing some detailing on it.
Okay.
इसलिए रखा हुआ है chamber में.
okay.
And for MG, we are gonna go for high gloss treatment.
High gloss treatment.
High gloss treatment. Up, would you like to come on the chamber? Right now, we are
Yeah.
doing PPF
Yeah.
for Toyota Hyryder.
PPS.
Yeah, you wanna come?
Oh yeah.
Aye,
Can
aye.
we go and see?
You can also have a word with my detailers.
Yeah. I
Please
want to just ask them something. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Feel free. Please come. As you can see, the work is in process.
This is the PPF.
Yeah.
Toyota Hyryder.
Toyota Hyryder.
Toyota Hyryder.
So you wanted to have a word with one of our detailers, you said.
Yeah.
So he's one of our lead detailers.
Okay. Hello, brother. Okay. What's your good name?
Okay to.
Itu profession de kini आए जाओ अपने माने की करने आए जी तो profession de यानी काम करो ले करने
Moi to pula rabi servicing de tekse. Servicing kam detailing kam de na.
Ouais.
JK de.
अच्छा
तो moi अलग काम करे जे sales tekse. तो detailing la advertisement dekse detailing bulla.
okay
तो यहाँ बना खुशी पाए.
खुशी भाई इन्हें करो ले काम करो ले खुशी भाई
ओए
so अपनी training हन भी जाए बोले तो
ओए
training हन भी जाए ना so training को दे जाए ले अपनी
तो daily rate 4 months kind of training session.
4 months training
Yes sir.
oh that's good oh I think you're well experienced now एकदम experience भी जाए तेरा
काय को नहीं नहीं करे से नहीं मुंडी ना करे कैसे for day से.
That's 40 years ना okay brother his name is brother Okito so you're from
Nagarjun.
Nagarjun Dimapur so glad to meet you and continue to do tahan mohan karne eninga kam kori de so tahan ki help koribi or support kori de okay brother thank you so much ini moi hudibole mon thara since I'm also new about this one so apne ni tu moi dikhise apne plastic mica type ekta lagai chhe so itu laga tu mane rust khan lagibole enan tu kina thake nole ulai jabole
रास खंदो न लागिवो इतु ओपरे ना इतु ओपरे तो आयरन भी न लागिवो
अच्छा
बाय चांस लागी शुगले मुसिले फट जाय जाव ना
अच्छा
रो इतु अचानक तो ओलाई ना जाव हार्ट प्रा ओलाई दिसे कथा कथा रो नहिले थोला देम दे वास पुरा देम दे प्रेशर चोबर मारे सगुले ना ओलाव परे टीमेज होइले तो अलग ते तो कु नलावो थाल स्टिक हो जैसे ना तो नलावो
अच्छा अच्छा इधर नहीं वारंटी kan भी থাকে
होय वारंटी थे के 5
Product,
years
that depends on the
होय
product.
Product depends. अच्छा
For
अलग
this
अलग
one, we
product
are
में
using Prime series.
Hmm.
So here you have a warranty of 3 years.
3 years.
The pasting warranty you have 3 years.
3 years.
हाँ, तो life durability इसका 5 साल का है.
अच्छा अच्छा
This is
अच्छा
Prime series.
अच्छा तो मैं एक टा কথা দিব আপনি কে
Oh.
ಇದು viewers kan bisa itu ini plastic लगाया है ना तो मैं हुदुले मुदा अपने नेते की लगाया मतलब itu paste हो जाओ लेकर
एतु मखान आईपी 1 आईपी को एतु यूज करे ना होले तो ভাল स्टिक हो जाए
अच्छा
एतु ओलाबि न ओलाबि सबिए इतिया মই
oh
चिपकाइ दिसे होलिबि न ओलाय तो एतु तो मखान आरो टाकिंग करबो
अच्छा
हिटर कान बना
अच्छा और by chance itu customer han itu लगाई दिसी ना तो थान itu ulai na दूसरा धलुले मुना से कोई
एतु पारे
itu उला दम जे पेन खान ते को न हो ना
एतु ओलादेम दे ओलब खुसियाबो ओलाबो लागे ना होले
अच्छा।
पेन ओलब खुसियाबो ओलाइ सगले तो एकु डिमेज न होबो ना होले আমি খান দুইবার বি লাগাও পারে দে নতুন চেঞ্জ করব বলি বি এটু ওলাই দিব ওলাই দিনা নতুন বি লাগাই দিব পারে এটু দেম দিবি নতুন নিছনাই পাবো প্রায় নিউ নিছনাই পাবো
that means itu उलाउले करने में अपनी हाल होता है बोले
होय
professional
होय
होता है
To peel it off, there is a process that you have to follow. It's just that you just come, you peel it off.
এটু বেশি স্ট্রং আছে প্রোটেকশন বি বেশি দিয়ে সবে এনি বেবার নহয় না হলে বি না ভাঙে বেশি আছে আর সবে না হলে বি না কাটে সবে না কাটে
wait wait अच्छा अच्छा so this is the PPF which I want to tell my viewers and there are different types of PPF isn't it
हाँ हाँ मतलब
So-
we have 3 different categories: Prime, Performance, Performance Plus.
so
This one is Prime.
this one is prime
Prime.
so get a warranty of 3 years
3 years, 3 years of pasting warranty and 5 years of life durability.
okay so if something happens since you're saying that 3 years warranty so if something happens before 3 years then what shall the
If the
owner do?
PPF comes out
Okay.
on its own
Mm.
because of wear and tear, weather conditions, and all that,
Mm.
you have the warranty.
Uh,
You have the warranty papers. Come, it will be clean. We'll
oh,
change it. Whichever area of the car
uh,
is facing wearing out,
uh.
we'll change it
So
at our expense.
you won't charge anything,
No,
isn't it?
that's the warranty you're getting.
Okay.
Because it's very pertinent to understand. Pasting warranty means they are right now what they are doing. They are pasting the PPF. Right?
Yes, yes.
That's the warranty you are providing. कि ये नहीं निकलेगा.
अच्छा,
अगर निकल जाता है बिना एक्सीडेंट हुए
हाँ,
तो वो मेरा जिम्मेदारी है. आप आओ लग जाएगा.
अच्छा 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 and these are the
Different
Material,
measurements
isn't
that we have taken.
okay so these are one as and एक बार गाड़ी दिखाई दोगे so door they have pasted in the door
हाँ.
okay now this work is also going on they have already pasted पूरा करेगा ना वो पूरा बॉडी
हाँ
में
जी,
करेगा
हाँ
ना
जी.
पूरा बॉडी में करेगा और आप लोग इंटीरियर में भी कुछ करते हैं लाइक इफ समवन वांट्स टू जस्ट
अभी
कस्टमाइज द
देखो यहाँ
इंटीरियर
कस्टमर है डिलीवरी करना है. अभी देखो मैं देख रहा हूँ आप यू कैन कम एंड सी engine is very dirty, right?
या
So before delivery you will have the engine dressed. So
ओके
instead of putting water and doing all that, what we do is we have an engine dresser. So we clean it with our engine dresser. So that is just an add-on we provide to our customers, making sure that when they get the delivery, they should feel like यार नया गाड़ी लेके जा रहा हूँ आज.
और नया नया लेके जा
ऐसा
रहे
कुछ. तो engine साफ करके देंगे हम engine dresser से. पानी नहीं मारेंगे.
हैं। अच्छा
engine dresser है हमारे पास.
अच्छा
engine dresser से साफ करके देंगे.
या
और फिर अंदर का अगर इंटीरियर गंदा हुआ तो साइड साफ कर देते हैं अपने से.
वो भी साफ कर देगा ना
हाँ.
that will be from your side
Huh. So this Diwali, as I have already highlighted the offers we have. So please come, do your bookings, and at Detailing Bull we try our level best to give you the best services we can. Yes, we are a new outlet, so it's a little. People are a little dubious sometimes. कि यार नया नया outlet है, पता नहीं क्या service दे रहा है, उसका क्या मतलब body of work है. So so far we have done a lot of work on vehicles, detailing ho, PPF ho, ceramic ho. So it has gone good. So with that, with that note, I would only request your viewers, आप आइए, experience लीजिए, and अभी सबको तो हम लोग satisfy नहीं कर पाते हैं, but कोशिश यही रहता है कि satisfy कर दें. So वही है. Please avail the Diwali offers, and we will try our level best to give you the best detailing service possible in the Northeast region. How about that?
Yeah. Thank you, thank
Let's
you.
be a little overconfident here.
Yeah, thank you.
Chalo.
Okay, so that's all, viewers. If you want quality service, if you want quality in your car, then you can come and visit and avail the Puja festive season offers. You can call at the given number and do your booking also. So that's it with the video. Thank you so much. Thank you, brother.